Hello, my name is Max. This is No Code Nerd, and check this out. This is called Voiceflow. Voiceflow is a very unique no-code tool. This stuff is insane to me. It's freaking cool. Mobile assistance. It lets you basically, without coding, program your own voice application. So, Alexa or Google Home or things like that. You can actually just go and drag and drop in a simple little interface. Chatbots too. They have chatbots. That's really fun. But Alexa and Google, you can actually have an in-car assistant too. Wow, they let you program some really cool stuff with this. The main thing that they do is Alexa and Google, though. So those voice apps like, tell me the weather today, Google, right? Something like, hello, Google, tell me the weather today. It'll do that. You can program your own processes and then download them to your Google Home. You can sell these applications. You can make them as like a product. It's like really, really, really cool. It's just a little drag and drop interface. It's wild. So if you want to make really amazing things, and you can even do chatbots and other things like that. If you want to make really, really amazing things with voice, with chat, with apparently cars too, that's insane. You can use Voiceflow. I'll link it down below. Check it out. Would love to know what you think. Heck yeah. Let me know if you have any questions on what's possible with this. I'll see you in the next episode.